Bonjour, c'est Ryan the Lion.
I'm Vincent.
And here, so I was trying to look all French with my fancy glasses. And here we have the unveiling of Le Bleu. So, look, it even comes in a fancy couture gift box.
Yeah.
How French is that? Look, I can't even get into it.
You need to be French to open it.
Oh, do you want to
French
do
hands.
that?
French
Do
hands.
yours. Do
Yeah,
yours.
yeah. I'll open that. It's like a nice bottle of champagne.
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look. Ooh. Are we going to get a crow?
Yeah. Brr.
Oh, come on, it's like.
Oh, the cook.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, after much banter and a long wait from the postal service, we have one French jersey. And as promised, I think it'll even fit over the t-shirt.
Should be.
I might have to.
No, it's meant to be. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Look at this.
Oh, we have to do this. Yeah, national anthem, La Marseillaise.
La Marseillaise.
Yeah.
Allons enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé. Contre nous de la tyrannie, l'étendard sanglant est levé, l'étendard sanglant est levé, etc.
Eh? I was just lip syncing. Oh, well, thank you very much. It's now look at that. Yes, it's well worn. We'll see you at AFQI tonight. I'll be wearing Le Bleu, and we'll have some good fun connecting and meeting the person. Thank you so much.